A very good morning, class 5. Class 5, yesterday we have discussed about conversion of bigger unit into a small unit, that is minutes into seconds, hours into minutes, weeks into days, days into hours. So we have converted the bigger unit into a smaller unit. Now today we will start how to convert the smaller unit into bigger units. This is bigger unit, years, months is smaller unit. So yesterday we have converted this big units into smaller units. Now today we have to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit. As we all know, second is smaller than minute. Second is the smallest unit of time. Conversion of seconds into minute. The units will be same, but what we have to do, in place of multiplying, we will do division. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, to convert seconds into minutes, we divide the seconds by 60. Why? Because 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So when we are converting seconds into minutes, we have to divide the seconds by 60. Quotient will be the minutes and the remainder gives the seconds. Maybe suppose the number could not be fully divided, something may be remain over there, that is called remainder. So remainder will be counted as seconds. Take this example. Convert 772 seconds into minutes. 772 divided by 60. See, division is also done here. 60 ones are 60, 17, this 2 bring down 172. Now 62s are 120. 52 seconds remain. So what will be your answer? The question will be your minutes and the remainder will be your seconds. Now conversion of minutes into hours. Minutes is a smaller unit and hour is bigger unit. Same. At first when we were converting the smaller unit into bigger unit, we were writing like this. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Here greater unit, here smaller unit. Now we are converting smaller into bigger, so we'll write smaller unit first. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, to convert minutes into hours, same, we have to divide it by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 854 minutes into hours. 854 divided by 60. You have to show the calculation in front only. Don't show this at the back side. Okay, in front of the question only you have to show here the operation. 60 ones are 60, 254, 64s are 240, 40 minutes remaining. Now, whenever we are doing this division, whatever question asks to convert it into hours, so the question will be hours and the remainder will be minutes, means 14 minutes. We can't change 14 minutes into hours because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The same way, conversion of hours into days. Day is bigger unit and hour is smaller unit. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So whatever hours is given, we will divide by 24. Okay, question will be days, remainder will be hours. Only you have to look at the unit properly. That what will be the unit? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week is equal to 7 days. These units only you have to write properly to get the correct answer. See, conversion of days into weeks. 312 days divided by 7, it will convert into weeks. 44 weeks, 4 days. We can't change 4 days into week because 1 week need 7 days to get converted. Okay, see the next question. Conversion of months into year. Year is bigger unit, month is smaller unit. 12 months is equal to 1 year. Now 76 months are there. we will divide it by 12. 12 6 are 72. So 6, this 6 will be years and the remainder will be months. Okay, same. 2 weeks into hours. So we can't convert directly weeks into hours. We have to go in system. Okay, what we can change weeks into? First you have to convert it into days. So first we convert weeks into days. 2 multiply 7. Why 7? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So first we convert the weeks into days, then only we are able to convert days into hours. You can't directly convert it into this. Okay, you can write 2 multiply 7 multiply 24, but you have to go in system. Okay, so first we'll convert weeks into days, then we will convert this 14 days into hours. 14 multiply by 24. Okay, this is conversion of big unit into smaller unit. That's why we have multiplied. And where we were doing smaller unit into bigger unit, we were dividing. Okay, don't get confused by this. This I have shown you that maybe sometimes like this. See, 5 weeks into seconds. So we can't directly convert weeks into seconds. First we convert week into days. So 5 multiply by 7. Then we will convert days into hours. That is, whatever day will come, multiply by 24, it will come into hours. Then hours into minutes. Then minutes into seconds. So this I will show you how to do. 5 weeks we have to convert into seconds. So first 5 weeks we have to convert into days. 5 multiply 7. This will convert into days. So 35 days. Now days into hours. This days has come. Now we will convert this. This will convert into hours. Okay, whatever answer will come, that will be hours. Now that hours we have to convert into minutes and seconds. So whatever hours come, multiply by 60, multiply by 60. Why? If we multiply by only 60, it will convert into minute. Again, when we multiply it by 60, it will convert into seconds. So like this answer will come. Now what is your work? You have to complete this exercise 20A. Okay, but not in a hurry. Yesterday I have given you question number 1 and 2. Today you will do question number 3 and 4, and tomorrow we are going to do question number 5 and 6. Okay, tomorrow again we will discuss these things, and I will send you some of the questions, solved question, so that you can easily understand that and you can do that in your copy. So today you have to complete question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This we will do tomorrow. Okay children, so start doing your work and complete your work on time. You can do this in your classwork copy only. Okay, your classwork maths copy. Bye bye.